Okay, here we are, day 7. I'm feeling a little sluggish today. It could be my liver, it could be a lot of things, but let's see what we can do with it today. So I'll hit renew, we'll go down to Soul's Journey, and we'll start and shuffle. And play. Now I could use the quick draw and just have it randomly pick something, which that's nice, but I do have a specific need that I really don't know what's going on. So I am just going to go through these cards and feel which would help improve my symptoms. So I'm going to hold space, really dial in on what I'm feeling in my body. And then see which would be of the highest and best good to help me in this. So I will scroll through this. This one. All right, so let's see what this is about. We are going to put our hands over our belly and remember to breathe deep. And I have been doing that today. But let's see, hands over the belly. Frankincense would be good. Where do I need to let go? That's a good question to ask. So I will keep that in the back of my mind and reflect on that. So let's do the statements. I love and see beauty in myself. I am respectful. And breathe. I forgive myself for believing that my value cannot be seen. And breathe. I love and accept myself even if no one else does. And breathe. I am free to open up and share all my gifts at any time. And breathe. This one is really interesting because my body is feeling a particular way today and is not happy. But mentally I feel fine. It's been a very difficult day. But I am also working on getting this deck printed, and I was actually contemplating the value of the printed deck because it's so much more complicated in getting it printed than working with Deckable to get this on, that I was really starting to undervalue myself, and then this is the card I get. So this really helps to solidify the direction that I was going, that I want to go, and that I want to bring this to people and have it available. And have it available on Deckable, but also for sale, probably on Amazon. So interesting how this came up. We're going to listen to the video now. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Your brilliance is far brighter and shines so much further than you'll ever know. Be a light for someone else, even if you never knew you were. When you allow your light to shine in its full potential, You light up the darkness wherever you go. Wow, that was great. And I feel very schooled at the moment. So I hope this is helpful to you. I will see you next time for day 8. And I will go ahead and go and journal.